maybe some embedded hail that moves in over the Edmond area. That's going to be moving in northwest 164th, 178th, and also along Portland,
God damn it.
Penn, Western, on over towards Santa Fe, and eventually Kelly. That's where it's headed. So
we're going to get it.
Up into the Edmond area and keep our eyes peeled
speaking of
for any type of power flashes or anything like that we see as this thing moves through. But man, this has been a very, very powerful storm, even though it hasn't been a typical tornadic supercell.
Yeah, but I sure got some zero somewhere in there.
As it moves through the metro area. Guys, back to you.
All right, yeah, Michael, we're watching this, and again, certainly looks like, once again, the threat for these quick spin-ups will continue along this entire line of storms as it's now moving right on through. So, you're going to central Oklahoma. Hey,
that's going to suck. We're going to drive right through this shit.
Here you go. Here you go right here. So, we're going to look
right down. So here's the
We'll survive.
Driving down the fucking stormiest day of the season. Everybody's throwing it up. What do? We go get ice cream.
In Edmond.
As it continues to move to the
east,
let's look at at least...
no, everybody knows we're broke as fuck and we're buying ice cream. I can't have nobody feel bad for me if I'm out getting ice cream.
So, all down this line.
All down this line.
Edmond Hyundai.
And I expect that at least
do you need gas?
probably going to see
I'm at a quarter.
that threat continue even as it goes east here. Not much of a hail threat, and I don't see any signs of any significant large tornadoes coming in. But what we are going to see here are
large tornadoes coming in.
Localized damage reports that are going to be coming in. Once again, already got reports in southwest OKC of numerous power lines that came down, and it looks like even that threat continues as it moves to the east. Let's go over to Michael Armstrong's picture, because I'm looking every time lightning flashes, what appears to be at least a lowering here in the distance. With this line, again, it's moving right on through. I'll be looking right here. I mean, there's a good amount of electricity, but now we're at the time of the evening where we got to look for the lightning to really kind of give us a good idea as to what's moving in. But still, our radar is depicting at least a weak tornadic signature coming in right now with this line that's now pushing right on through Oklahoma City. First Alert Doppler 3D. Once again, shows exactly where we are now. So Lake Hefner, Bethany, outlet shops down to the airport. It looks like mostly just strong winds. Now we're looking at least the potential of some quick spin-ups now right along Sooner Road, that through Cleveland County, as we go into Oklahoma County here from Edmond right down through Frontier City. So here's our radar, and all along right here we continue to see
Hefner Lake.
Embedded circulation spin up as the storms push to the east.
Okay, well, I just heard in there it's blowing shit over the highways.
Not getting any type of tornado warnings out of this, but I would still at least take my tornado precautions with this line as it moves in. Again,
well, I love you.
I love you too.
This is gonna be fun.
I got butterflies when you told me that. Hey, remember whenever we used to get storm chases?
Yeah, but it's scary at night. You can't see.
We went at night.
We see at least this feature where it's kind of bending in. This might be at least another brief tornado that might be trying to spin up just right along Highway 74, just west again of Oak Tree, north of or east of Deer Creek High School. They're going to be very small. They're going to be short-lived, and they can actually show up on radar between stands. That's what happens. So that's why we're saying take the precautions right now, because these winds that we're seeing are pretty intense.
I got mine on.
Small tornadoes move through the east side of Oklahoma City and Oklahoma County here. And again, they're not going to be large tornadoes, but they will do localized low-end
I might stay up all night.
It's not gonna last all night.
30-second tornado. So that's no warning. That's the alarms go off and you have 2 seconds.
Yeah, there won't be any warning. When they're here, they're here. I'm pulling to the gas station and check the radar. Damn, everybody else did it too.
It said on the radio today, don't pull over under underpasses and get out of your car.
Yeah, because then everybody else behind you is stuck.
This is going to continue as we go into the next couple of hours as this line moves to the east here. So for those in western Oklahoma County, this line is east of you, so you should be your situation should be improving in a pretty big way. But once again, all these brief spin-up tornadoes going to happen just like that. I want to send it out to field meteorologist Michael Armstrong. So I'm
That's hard
looking
for
at this
these.
picture right now. Looks like the rain's coming in and quite a
178
let's see
is
here. Looks like the rain's coming in. And there
is
it
33rd that way.
This heavy rain, big time threatening. Now this
Like
is a flood advisory.
Western and 33rd.
Roll that shit up. Damn, it's so fast. It's not going down on this side. Keep an eye on the sky and we won't fly around. Man, it's looking straight. that way.
Yeah, that's
God, when I heard freaked out.
Wind's coming in.
Oh my god. I want to fucking my
Hold on.
pets are at
Put
home.
your head on. Put your hood on, just in case.
HD. We have a very tight radar saying right here that it's getting higher. This is a developing tornado. Yeah, this is exactly what we've been talking about. Developing tornado now right along Main Street. This is going to be south of the Turnpike, east of I-35, east of downtown Oklahoma City. This is a developing tornado just right along Main Street. This goes to be known as Britton Road. Again, as you're going to Oklahoma County, but it looks like now just near Post Road, south of 122nd. These are those tight radar couplets, and when you see this red spinning ring, that is a low-level lock that we're picking up on right now. Mike, Jonathan,
You can almost see like the hook echo in the velocities. And it's right in the bend of Britton Road, just west of North Coast Road. That's where it is. That's where circulation is. It's right on Britton Road, like literally quarter-mile west of North Coast Road. You're going to see the live radar beam sweep come through, and you're going to see an update, but that's exactly where it is. The velocities came out there for just a second. That's the highest we've seen so far, and that's exactly where it's going to be. That tornado could be about, it's not to be, and the velocities
That's
keep
less
going
than
up.
a
Yeah,
mile.
they keep going up. So it's moving to the northeast here.